Welcome to Pulverizer Airsoft channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing this double eagle P169 spring handgun. So the Airsoft came with a plastic case like this. So now let's open the case. There's the P169, the big black handgun, and the replica of the Colt 25. By the way, the P169 is the replica of the high kappa. And these are the manuals. And this is the P169 manual, and on the left side, I don't know why there's a TMP picture, maybe just for illustration. It is written in Chinese. So now let's go to the gun itself. So this is the Airsoft. It's made of plastic. There are some markings on the slide. And also there's a double eagle logo on the grip. And this is the mag release. Nothing special about it, and there's a kind of safety mechanism which adds a point to this gun. Overall, the build quality, I think it's good, and this is the iron sights. They are fixed, and this is the right side of the gun. Most of the parts are made of plastic. What I do like about the gun is the detail of the trigger. It's just like the high kappas. And this is the magazine. It only holds a single stack. The operation of this gun is very simple. You just need to pull back the slide and pull the trigger. That's simple. Just make sure that the safety is off. And next, I will do 10 shots on the Chrono, and let's see the FPS using 0.2 gram BBs. For a spring handgun, it is quite consistent. So it shoots around 120s using 0.2 gram BBs. In the end, I will put the summary of this FPS test. Okay, so from 10 shots, the average is 125.33, and for the standard deviation for the sample is 3.37. Well, quite consistent. This is the comparison between the P169 with the Black Mamba P355 and with the gas blowback KP06 from KJW. So as a conclusion, I do recommend this gun for collection only. For skirmish, I don't think it's a good idea. And I think that's all about today's video. I hope you find this review is very useful. And be sure to give your comments, subscribe, and like to this video. Thanks for watching.